Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I created this beautiful Valentine's press-on set. As you guys can see here, I went ahead and already pre-buffed the nails. Next I'm going to go ahead and start by applying my base coat. I did make a mistake here, so I did go ahead and correct that. I went ahead and actually forgot to cleanse the nails with alcohol. I do this because right after buffing there's little particles that stay on the nail and that could interfere with our gel polish application. Once I went ahead and did that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat to the rest of the nails. Once I'm done applying the base coat to all of the nails, we're simply going to go ahead and let the nails basically set aside for a minute or so, just so the base coat can evenly spread throughout the nails. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So I do want to go ahead and say that the giveaways winners have been announced, so make sure to go ahead and check my previous video. Once the nails have cured, I'm going to be going ahead and using this hot pink neon color from Model 1s. And I'm just applying a very thin layer onto the nail. I'm going to be applying this on the thumb, on the pinky, and on the middle finger. Like I said, right after we finish applying our coat or our layer of gel polish, we go ahead and set that aside for a minute or so, just so the gel polish can evenly spread. Once we're done with that, then we're ready to go ahead and cure.
The wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so.
Now I'm going to go ahead and be applying white gel polish to the index finger and the ring finger. We're only doing one layer so far, and that's basically it. Okay, once you finish applying your gel polish color, make sure you set the nails aside for a minute or so, just so the gel polish can evenly spread. Once you've done that, you're ready to go ahead and cure. Now on the index finger, I'm applying 2 different shades of pink just to create a beautiful marble effect. Once you have your gel polish down, go ahead and grab any brush. I'm using the gel brush and I'm just swirling the colors around. I'm not using any alcohol. I'm just basically using the brush itself to go ahead and create this marble effect. I'm using the same gel polish to also swirl the colors around. I'm not wiping any of that gel polish off as well. Once you're done with that, then you're gonna go ahead and just place that back on your stand and let that sit there for a minute or so. Now I'm gonna grab some of this top coat and I'm gonna top coat this middle nail, just because I'm gonna be doing a sugaring effect on there. And then I'm gonna be using this color P105 and it is by Pine. And I went ahead and added this white base onto the nail just because I wanted this glitter gel polish to stand out more than what it already does. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add a second coat to the pinky and the the thumb. Okay, so before we go ahead and proceed, I do want to let you guys know, if you guys can please vote up here. I want you guys to let me know which videos you guys would like to see more of. Okay, the nails have now fully cured. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the middle nail from the nail stand, and I'm going to apply some of this white gel polish onto this little palette that I have here. This is the items that I will be using. It's a pink dotting tool and this liner brush that I actually made myself. I'm going to go ahead and be applying a little bit of that white gel polish onto the dotting tool, and I'm just going to draw 2 little hearts kind of close to each other. Then I'm going to apply some of this white gel polish onto my liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and create a V. Once I have that V down, I'm basically just going to go ahead and fill it in until I have a really beautiful heart there.
I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Okay, so once you have your hearts done, make sure you do not cure this at all. We need the gel polish to be wet. And I'm going to be using some of this iridescent glitter and just measuring spoon to basically just sprinkle the glitter over the gel polish. Once you've done that, you're ready to go ahead and cure for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, so here some of the nails are done. So I'm going ahead and applying some gel polish onto the thumbnail. I'm applying some onto the marble nail, and I'm applying some onto the pinky. I do use a different gel polish for my glitters, whether it's glitter polish or glitter gel polish. That is why you guys see me there, that I did use a very different brush onto the glitter nail. Okay, so the nail has now fully finished curing. Now using a brush, I'm going ahead and removing any of the excess glitter. I do use little towels so it's easy for me to clean up anything. I don't like any glitter around my desk. But basically we are ready to go ahead and do the rest of the hearts. So now I'm going ahead and applying dotting tool again, and I'm drawing bigger hearts. I'm only drawing 2 hearts, and I am using white gel polish again.
Baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now.
Okay, so next I'm using this really pretty hot pink glitter, and I'm just going ahead and sprinkling that onto the gel polish. Once we're done with that, we went ahead and cured, and now using a brush I'm removing that excess glitter, and basically we are done. I know it did not focus too well, but you guys will go ahead and be seeing the results after. Okay everybody, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe down below. Thank you guys all so much, and please stay safe. See you guys in tomorrow's video.